hope you are all doing well. Today I will teach I'm gonna solve the exercise about the string templates, and I'm gonna explain you about the string templates. And you can also actually go and read about the string templates in this blog. It's explained in detail here, so you will already know about what are the string templates. Like, a string template is a programmatic way to generate a string, right? So we will be checking out all the string templates, and if you put a dollar before identifier name, the string templates will be inserted, will insert the identifier's context into the string, right? So that's the string template. As you can see here, it's the way to use a string template. And yeah, there are, you can just get to know more about the string templates here. But before, let's go to the examples. As you can see here, you see the dollar to find the so I'm using a string templates here, uh, using the variable dollars gives me the answer, right? 42. So this will be printed here. And string concatenation, you just do it by using a plus sign, the mathematical plus, I mean to say. And the expression templates are something like this. You can also actually use the expression in you can use expression in templates. You see the star, like inside a double quotation, I'm using a dollar to use the string templates here. And yeah, with the curly bracket, like I'm just pretty much expressing the expression, like the conditional expression, right? So that's how it is. And yeah, triple quotes, you can also use triple quotes. As you can see here, triple quotes are usually used for multiple lines of string, right? And so let's solve the exercise, guys. So the first exercise says is like, display the results of a function find max from the exercise in the previous autumn on the console in the form the maximum of x and y is max. Use a string templates to perform the substitution of x, y, and the maximum value. So how do we do that? So we do it pretty much like print let's use the string templates. And what I have to do is the output must be something like the maximum of x is first, and y is second, is max is like your function, right? Find max. As you can see, I'm using a string templates here, and also using expression template here, right? So this is expression template with this dollar and a curly bracket. And find max has two input variable that are first is first is first, and second is second, right? So yeah, let's check the solution. Oh, sorry guys, I think I missed the point here. Actually, it's just checking the answer. It's pretty much taking just a little bit of time. It's taking some little bit of time. Let's hope it's gonna check the answer pretty fast so we don't lose the time. Yeah, because the problem is I was missing the dot, right? I just added the dot at the end. Okay. It's 31, right, guys? Okay, sorry, I missed the maxi. Actually, they are pretty much the same, right? 31 is 31. Okay, I think I'm missing this one. Okay, now it's answer. So let's go to the next one. Okay, what it says is like, implement a record function that returns a string in the form index status message. where each item is passed into record as a parameter. Record should add a line break at the end of the string. So this will be the output, right guys? So what we have to do is pretty much okay, so actually, you know, this main function is calling a print function which has already a custom function here, like this one is a record. What he has to do is like to print out this one, right? So what we have to do is one is dollar index and actually this one dollar of okay is the status, and I have to print out the message, right? And also the message, right? And what I have to do is at the end of this message I have to print the second line. So I think let's check it. Yeah, I think it's gonna print out that one, guys. I hope so. Yeah, it's correct answer. So let's go to the next one. And what it says is write a function so with a parameter I as string is int, string, char and double on the console, so displays the value of each parameter line. First the name of the identifier, then a colon and a space, and then the value of the identifier. Surround the string value with double quotes and the char value with the single quotes. Double quotes and a single quotes, as you can see here. So guys, what I have to do is to pretty much like this, and what I have to do is I have to add the variables that is gonna input and what it has to do is it has to pretty much print and okay I dollar I, and what has to do is s dollar, actually it has to do in oh sorry guys, it has to do in okay, what it has to do is has to print out the s, right? No, yeah, it was s, and then okay, and then it has to also do the new line character, and then it has to do c with dollar, sorry guys, it's dollar z and new line, and then finally d with the dollar d, right? I think this is gonna be the answer, guys. So this is pretty much so let's check the solution. This is gonna the expected output will be something like this. So yeah, that was the answer, guys. And next, so this is the final this is the next exercise, mastering the IDE. Search and replace. You can replace search for and replace any text in a file. So press command F for, sorry, let's click here and like command F for find, and command R for replace, as you can see here. So what I have to do here is replace all instance of foo in the file with a bar, as you can see here. So I will be replacing with this foo with a bar, right? And I click replace all, it is gonna replace everything. So that's what it is. So that's it, guys. So the next exercise says is like mastering the IDA rename. So the IDA simplifies many common actions. For example, suppose you want to rename an identifier. Inventing a good name is a difficult, so it's often an iterative process. So after using a function, for example, you might think of better rename for it, right? So how do we do that? Is find and replace may lead to unexpected results. Like if you do Control F, find, and Control R, sorry, for example, if you do like answer, it's gonna find also this one, but I don't want to rename this, right? So there's a good way to do that. Finding a remedy to unexpected results, because the name might appear in different contexts, right? For example, inside the string on common or comments. So in the code example, you can see answer both the name and val, and it's part of a string. That's even more complicated when renaming the functions, because the function might be used in many files. So how do we do that? Is the IDE allows you to rename a declaration automatically. Put the caret on the val name and press 6. So what we can do is like I want to rename this, right? So what I do is like actually you can also put here refactor, and actually you can rename it using this command, like and like if you rename this, you rename this with the result pretty much. So you just result, that's it. So guys, actually there is some kind of a mistake. So what I have to do is no, there is a mistakes, guys. So it's not this one. So I just cancel this. I just click it here, refactor rename, and what I have to do is it will be renamed with the result. So as you can see, so when I run this task, it will be, this is not renamed, as you can see here. As you can see, the answer is 42. So we check it and it's already, yeah, it's passing the answer, like that's a correct one. Okay, so guys, I hope I explained uh, like pretty much about the string templates and also the expression templates, and hope to, so if you really like enjoy such kind of contents, please do subscribe me, consider subscribing me, and let's get like yeah, I will be bringing more tutorials. So the in next tutorial I'll be coming up with the number types. So catch you later, guys, and thank you.